things are overrated things. Underrated things are overrated things. Overrated things are overrated things. Overrated things are overrated things. Underrated things are overrated things. Underrated things are overrated things. Overrated things are overrated things. Overrated things are overrated things. Alright guys, so I ran out of things to say, so guess I'm just gonna say this. Money, 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 all. I know you're feeling hurt. I know you're feeling hurt. But just stare at money. Just stare at money.
Welcome to the underground. How was the fall? If you wanna look around, give us a call. We don't see humans often. We're happy you just dropped in. I'll be so popular when I show all the monsters what I just brought in. Hey, Papyrus, mind your manners. Kid sends no time for banter. Excuse my brother, he's a bit eccentric. You're just lazy and apathetic. Call me what you want, I got pink skin. Another back joke and I'm finished with him. We are monsters, the awfulest kind. To mess with us takes a lot of spine.